All right, guys. So really quickly, I just want to give you guys a Robinhood update video. As you guys can see, we're currently up $500 for the day so far. We actually made a few plays. As you guys can see on the right-hand side of the screen, we actually are in an options play. And this wasn't the only one that we were in. An options play is actually the reason why we are up $500 for the day. So before you guys get mad at me, just let me explain. Let me show you guys what happens. And from there, we'll consider the next steps. Like I said to you guys in the comments, I still need to do a lot of research on not only the stock market but options as well. I have a general understanding of them, but not too much. And with that type of mindset, I definitely am setting myself up to get burned. So I'm not going to be going too crazy. And I actually made a mistake on one of these plays that I will not be making again. The first play and the most important play of the day is actually Tesla. So as you guys can see, we actually bought 2 contracts of Tesla. It was a $250 call by July 26th, and that cost me about $370 for 2 contracts at $1.85. And then we actually bought the same contract again because it actually dropped down, and that cost me $140 overall. So I'm trying to see. Oh, here we go. We have the actual sell right here. I held it over the weekend, and then I kind of expected today to be a green day after having a red Friday. Thankfully, it was. And as you guys can see here, we sold all 3 contracts for an estimated credit of $854. That's some good profit to me. I actually also posted it in the Discord. I actually posted this play in my Discord server, link in the description down below if you guys want to join. As you guys can see here, I just posted a screenshot just showing what it looked like from my point of view. So we were up overall $369 or 72%, which is perfect for me. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Maybe even less than that. I'm not really looking for 70% every single time. But, we got lucky this time. And as you guys can see, we definitely did over leverage. Well, nah, not really. I mean, it was $400. Maybe that is a little bit too much for a $3,000 account. I definitely, could have did a little bit less. But at first, I was looking at it like I put in $800, but that's not true. So yeah, that is the first options play that we made. Made some profit on Tesla. That was a good trade to me. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Next, we have Celsius. Now, this is interesting because not only did I buy shares of Celsius, but I actually also purchased options. And if you go down to the history, you guys will see. So we bought contracts expiring on July 19th again for a $60 strike price. And then we bought 2 more contracts. We didn't really wait for a dip, but I was just so confident in it that I actually did make this play. And it could have been considered a bad move, probably was. But as I said, I did make a few mistakes when making these plays, and one of them was definitely over leveraging a little bit. We actually sold this play just now, right before recording this video, for about $702. So overall, it was about a like 20-30% profit, I want to say. Not too bad. At the end of the day, I have shares in the company, so it doesn't really matter. Like, I'm not too focused on making a 100% options play because at the end of the day, I still have the shares. And I'm actually looking into, doing more research on some of these companies I'm invested in, such as Celsius. We have Cart as well, which is basically Instacart, the grocery delivering service. And I actually just found a website, this one right here. I'm not sure how good it is. Maybe you guys could let me know. Where basically I can view all the financial records of the company, at least up until a certain point. I feel like this website can actually help me look at a company's balances, look at their income, and like what they're actually doing with their revenue. And, use this to actually make good decisions on stocks that I actually purchase. Keep in mind, I literally just found this website like right before recording this video. So like I said, I'm going to be doing my research on it, but let me know if this is actually a good option. But yeah, I'm going to be looking up Celsius, seeing if this is actually truly a good play. I simply just bought it just because I like the company. I like the stock. I think that it can go higher from what it is right now. That's as simple as it is, like I know I need to do more research, but I simply just like this play. Same thing with Instacart. Now, this is one that I need to do heavy research on because I'm not actually sure if they're profitable or not. But, I actually wanted to buy them back when they were about $25 a share, like right over here. Well, $22 a share. That's how long I've been looking at this play. And I was eyeing them for the longest. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to invest in them at that point in time. I still think that $30 might be a good entry point, and that's actually why I invested in at $32 a share. But I definitely do need to do my research. We actually are $600 in, $650 almost in. So I'm going to be looking up this play. If you guys know anything about this play, let me know in the comments down below. Should I sell? Should I hold it? What should I do? I like the potential of Instacart, but at the same time, you have things like Amazon Fresh, Costco delivers food, to their customers. Instacart might not really have that big of an advantage overall in the food delivery space, but, I do like the potential of it, and hopefully it can actually show me some good profit, maybe 50%, maybe 100%, who knows? All right, and last but not least, we have the Disney 110 call. Now, to explain this one, I need to explain why I even got into options in the first place. Because as you guys know in the comments of the last video, I actually said that, I'm not going to be jumping to options immediately. I'm going to take time to actually learn them because I got burned. A lot of you guys told me that I should jump into them, but then a lot of you guys told me that I should wait and actually try to learn. Here's what happened. So someone joined the Discord server, pretty cool guy. He was giving advice on like what plays to make. He's actually the one that put me on to the Celsius play. I asked him questions about, should I jump into NVIDIA and stuff like that. He guided me in the right direction. I actually made profit because of him on the Celsius play, at least. He also recommended this Disney play. And as he was looking at it, he was saying, a lot of people are buying contracts, has a lot of volume. And I basically just, jumped into it because he was recommending that it was a good play. And that is not me throwing him under the bus or anything like that. I'm not mad about this play at all. I actually been like averaging down, but I might end up just selling this at a loss because I'm not too confident in the play. And that's one mistake of trading that you guys need to make sure you don't make. Learn from me. You don't want to make a play simply because someone tells you to, and I'm not blaming him at all. Like, I made him mod in the server. He's a really cool guy, but that's literally what happened. He was telling me, to look at this play. I did, and I ended up buying it, but I was not really confident in it from the beginning, and that's my fault. Like I said, the other stock that he put me onto, Celsius, made profit, so I'm not mad about it at all. I made profit on it. I'm still holding shares of the company. He helped me get out of like some bad plays like NVIDIA and stuff like that. So, all I'm saying is that is the reason why I actually purchased this play. I'm not really seeing any potential in it aside from the fact that it did have a lot of volume. Maybe someone knows something and maybe they're, planning on like a stock rise or something. I don't know. I'm probably most likely just going to sell this at a loss. $100 loss, not too bad. We actually ended up making $500 today. So, you win some, you lose some. But yeah, overall, that's basically the main point of the video. I just wanted to show you guys a quick update on this wonderful Monday morning. Up $500 for the day. Thankfully, I was able to pick up on some good plays. If you guys want to pick up on the same plays that I have actually gotten from you guys, all you have to do is just join the Discord server. Everything should be right there. I just recently reorganized it. And yeah, just join up, have some fun, text in the chats, and let's make some money together, guys. But other than that, guys, I really appreciate you watching the video. If you have any questions, comments, if you want to call me an idiot for jumping into options or whatever play I made so far, let me know in the comments down below. Before you do that, though, make sure to leave a like on the video. It really does help out. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, and peace.